I am Shayla Legree, a rising senior accounting student at Florida A&M University. I was a participant in the 2017 NIA Talent Development Competition, which aims to expose young African Americans to the opportunities in the insurance industry by allowing them to network with insurance professionals and the possibility of receiving an internship. I was fortunate enough to receive a 12-week paid internship at Zurich, North America in the Atlanta office for the summer of 2018. Throughout my time as an intern, I learned the importance of collaboration and networking and just how limitless the opportunities are in the commercial insurance industry. Before the NIA competition, I had no idea what commercial insurance entailed. I only knew about personal lines like car insurance and health insurance, which is what most people think about when they hear the word insurance. The competition is a great way for students to get exposure to things they may not know about insurance in a fun and creative way. I would like to thank NIA and Margaret Redd for the opportunity, and I strongly encourage other students to take advantage and to try something new. My experience at Zurich was nothing short of incredible. I participated in volunteer events, expanded my network, and I got the opportunity to host an event for other interns on the brokerage side of insurance. Thank you for everything, Zurich.